Hari Prasad is back with another lecture on soft skills. Topic is healthy, not wealthy. The need of 21st century. In 21st century, people should be healthy, not wealthy. Health encompasses the whole quality of life. Health required first. Health is a state, physical, mental and social well-being. Health is a state of physical, mental and social well-being. Health is the absence of disease. Health means no disease, that is health. Absence of disease is health. Health is equilibrium of functioning of organs of the body adequately. If all the parts of the body are working in equilibrium, then health is there. You are in fit condition. Signs of physical health in an individual. What are the signs, symbols in an individual if he is healthy? A good complexion, his complexion is good. A clean skin, bright eyes, lustrous hair, not too fast, a sweet breath, a good appetite, sound sleep, regular activity of bowels, intestines, smooth and easy coordinated bodily movements. All the organs of the body function normally. If these signs are there, that person has health. If these symbols are there, that person has health. 13. Pulse rate and blood pressure are within the range of normality. In the young and growing individual, there is a steady gain in weight. These are the signs of good health. Positive health dimensions. 1. Mental dimension. Mental health is the ability to respond to the varied experiences of life with flexibility and a sense of purpose. Psychological factors can induce all kinds of illness, not simply mental ones. Precise tools to assess the state of mental health are not there, unlike physical health. Following are the attributes of mental health. 1. Free from internal conflicts. 2. Able to get along with others. 3. Accepting criticism and is not easily upset. 4. Strong sense of self-esteem. Self-esteem means self-respect. 5. Knowing yourself, your needs, problems and goals. Having self-control, that is balancing rationality and emotionality. Facing problems and tries to solve them intelligently, that is coping with stress and anxiety. These are the attributes of mental health. Number 2, social dimension. Social well-being implies harmony and integration within individual, between each individual and other member of society, and between individuals and the world in which they live. 3. Spiritual dimension refers to that part of individual who strives for meaning and purpose of life. That is spiritual. 4. Emotional dimension. Mental dimension and emotional dimension are different. Mental health can be seen as knowing or cognition. Emotional health relates to feeling. You need to feel. Other non-medical dimensions of health are cultural, educational, curative, preventive, socio-economic, etc. Successful aging. Successful aging is experiencing minimal disease or disability until the end of life. Before closing the lecture, I will give you 3 rules for success. 1. Trust your brain. 2. Trust yourself. 3. Trust Hari Prasad. You become winner in life. Thank you. Carpe diem.
చేంజ్ చేస్తాను.